176. I'm headed south on PCH, going to the gym. Haven't been to the gym in about a week or so. You know, it's so important to do that because everything just kind of stops, kind of gets all mucked up, and then you go to the gym and you just blow all that stuff out. Not to get too graphic, but taking care of yourself is supremely important, and I normally get to go, you know, 3 or 4 times a week. Actually, I shouldn't even say that. I normally try to do that, but sometimes work gets in the way. As you know, you have to take advantage of it as best you can. It's about 8:30 in the morning. Got to get a quick workout in, a quick ride on the bike. Later today, I'm going up to Malibu Living, which is in North Malibu, Point Dume area. They're having a big art party and some music and all kinds of cool stuff. Last time we did this, Dylan Brosnan was playing, son of Pierce Brosnan. So that's going to be a pretty fun event. You guys will get to go along with me. Off on PCH to get some photos of the coastline, and there was a couple there that had rescued a bird, a seagull from out of the street, and now he's with me. So I'm going to take him up to the wildlife rescue, which is up in the hills of Malibu, and get him some help. Hey there. Time to go get some help. You ready? All right. See you later, little guy. All right, we're hanging out. This is Samantha Harrison at the
California Wildlife Center.
California Wildlife Center. So I just brought in this gull, which I found was discovered down by the beach at Mastro's at the restaurant. What is, when someone brings an animal like this in, what's the process they go through?
So immediately we want to stabilize them. We want to figure out if there's something going on internally. Did it swallow a hook from those fishermen that found it? And so the first thing we want to do is, you know, take its temperature and make sure it's going to go into an incubator right away to stabilize it. Do we need to rush it over to the surgical trailer? Does it need radiographs?
Lots of choices.
Yeah, exactly. Lots of choices. And the first thing is always just a physical exam. What do we see? And then from there we'll go into radiographs. What can we see internally? And then from there, once we stabilize, if it needs surgery, we'll have that. And then we transfer all of our seabirds to the International Bird Rescue in San Pedro.
Nice. Oh, that's great. So, and what, I mean, I assume that depending on what's wrong with the animal, that's what the time would be for them to recover.
Yeah, exactly. So each patient's care is a little bit different. So there's
like
not like
us.
a set, exactly. Like in 1 month, you're going to be great. So it kind of depends on how injured is it, what's going on. Yeah,
there's
so
another one calling.
Yes, another call coming in.
Okay, well, I appreciate it's so great to have you guys here, especially
Thank
local, you know.
Yeah.
We find animals all the time, so we always bring them up here.
Thank you.
So, awesome. All right, cool.
Bye.
Okay, so the gull is in good hands now. We've brought a lot of animals up to this place, and they always do a great job of taking care of them and then releasing them later on. Now I'm heading back to the pad. not going to show what you're working on.
Alright.
But tell me what you're doing.
Putting eyelids on.
How come?
I don't know why.
If you
Told me to.
If you're watching this and you can guess what character this is, good luck.
Should I get glasses on?
You want to have your glasses on? You can. They're already filming.
Okay, over.
This is Aubrey Coles at Malibu Living.
Real estate.
Real estate. And we're having a party.
We're having a party, a music and art party.
We can.
Yes.
So what's the point of doing this?
The point is to bring the community together and to sell the art, and 5% of the proceeds of art sold will go to the Boys and Girls Clubs of Malibu.
That's awesome.
Yep.
That's awesome. And there's amazing chocolate treats
Brownies.
everywhere. And you're going to have some music going on.
Yes. The Karma Dealers and then Robin Bixler.
And are they local bands?
Yes, all local.
Okay. So if you got nothing to do, of course you'll be watching this tomorrow. So pretend if you had nothing to do, you'd come here. But you guys do this quarterly?
Every season.
Every season. Okay. So the next one would be what?
Winter.
Yikes.
Winter in Malibu is not bad.
It's not bad. It's like 70 degrees, so it's not too bad. Okay. All right. We're having a good
Come
time.
and say hi.
Okay, couldn't stay that long for this party, but looks like they're about to have a good time. Malibu Living, those guys are awesome. Tomorrow is Malibu Cars and Coffee. By the time you watch this, we'll actually be at that show with Henry Fisker. He's bringing a Fisker Karma, and we're going to be having a great time, and that'll be up the next day. But next week is the LA Auto Show. It's going to be 3 days of the coolest cars you have ever seen. Brand new concept cars, all kinds of amazing stuff. I'm going there on press days, which is Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. We'll get a chance to see a lot of the new cars, a tremendous amount of concept car stuff. It's just really going to be cool. I'm super excited about it.